Claude Opus is Anthropic's most powerful coding model, and Amazon is letting you use it inside a full coding IDE, basically free for your first month. And let me show you exactly how. Hey there everyone, welcome to Technoholic AI, the channel where we break down the AI tool that actually move the needle on your productivity. If this is your first time here and you are into AI tool, hit that subscribe button. It genuinely helps a small creator like me to grow. Alright, so today's video is all about Kiro, an Amazon new AI coding integrated development environment, which is very similar to Visual Studio Code. And now let me quickly tell you how you can run Claude Opus inside without paying anything upfront for your first month. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so first of all, what we need to do is we need to, visit internet browser. I need to open the following site, which is kiro.dev, which is kiro.dev. And as you open it here, we can see the option to download it. So you can go with IDE or CLI based on your requirement. But in this video, just to cater, larger audience, we will be going with more simpler way or more user-friendly way, which is having IDE. So let's click here on download. And there you go. Now let's click here on open. Now I'm going to quickly install it. Meanwhile it installs, let me also give you a quick intro to Kiro. Kiro is an AI-powered IDE made by Amazon Web Services, and if you have ever used VS Code, then it feels instantly familiar. You're gonna see same dark theme, which you're gonna see as we are launching it. But before that, I guess first of all, you need to, sign in. So let me quickly sign in. And here it is asking, if you want to import your configuration from VS Code. I'm going to skip it. And here the theme that I was mentioning before, you can choose. I'm going to go with light theme this time. And then here, if you want to integrate your Kiro, you can click on setup cell. And this will add environment variable to your system. And now here you can open a new project or you can clone to. Let's quickly go here on the top and click on open folder, and that's how we can define folder in which, let's say, you want to work on. So I'm gonna say, let's say this is the new folder, and that's how just like the way we do in case of VS Code, we can get started. But here's thing get interesting. Kiro have got AI agents built into it from ground up, and on paid plan you're gonna get access of entire Anthropic lineup. And it is not only limited to Anthropic, but you're gonna also see other models like Qwen 3 Coder, DeepSeek 3.2, Minimax, and ZLM5, all using just simple drop down. And the way we need to select is we simply need to click here on auto, and there you go. Here you can see all the models are available. Now let's talk about how you can get the pro models for free. For that, let's minimize it. And now I'm gonna click here on pricing, and if you go with this $20 per month plan, you're gonna get 1000 credits, which is 20 times more than the Kiro free plan. All right, and let's click here on sign up upgrade. And now I'm gonna use my Google account, and there you go. So here what you can see is you can subscribe to Kiro Pro as of today for 0 INR. And then after you have to pay the following amount per month. Now the next thing here we need to do is we need to fill up our credit card detail. That's how you're gonna subscribe to Kiro Pro for free as of today. And then you can access the paid model of Anthropic as well as other popular platform for free. And to be honest, it is not like completely unlimited free, but you're gonna get certain credit points that you can utilize to run these models. Kiro is one of the easiest way right now to get hands-on with Claude Opus without paying a separate cloud plan. If you are building anything, website, script, automation, side projects, the free first month is genuinely worth the test drive. And that's all guys from my side in this video. Hope that you find this helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic AI to see more such content, and I will see you around.